Hey, everybody, part two in our series highlighting different products as they relate to mortgage financing. And today we're talking about FHA as it relates to borrower credit scores and also some information about seller assistance. So sometimes people refer to FHA loan as a true first time homebuyer loan, and that's not the case. FHA stands for Federal Housing Administration. A lot of people think the F and the H stand for first time homebuyer. And then when I ask them what the A stands for, they don't know. But at any rate, FHA is it's a very versatile loan. It's very flexible. It allows borrowers to have lower credit scores. It allows borrowers to put slightly less money down than they may have to on a regular conventional loan. And it also allows the borrowers to ask for up to a 6% seller credit while still putting the minimum amount down. To put that in comparison, if you were taking out a conventional mortgage, in order for you to get a 6% seller credit, you would need to put a minimum of 10% down. So FHA is flexible. It also allows us to work with higher debt to income ratios. Sometimes the thresholds that the software allows us to work with on conventional loans is much more rigid. So when you talk about an FHA loan, it's not a first-time homebuyer loan. It's certainly not a loan that we would call a charity loan, meaning where you're trying to give somebody an opportunity to get a loan where they might not normally qualify. But it does allow for some unintended borrower consequences, meaning asking for more seller assist without actually having to put more money down. It also does standardize your monthly mortgage insurance across the board. So regardless of what your credit score is, everybody pays the same percentage as a premium every month. There are some drawbacks, and we'll get into that in another video. But if you're looking at a mortgage and you're considering an FHA loan, don't necessarily dwell on the fact that it might cater to lower credit scores or people with higher debt to income ratios. Just think of it as an adjustable wrench in your toolbox. It doesn't precisely fit one specific type of bolt, but it fits just about everything in a pinch. If you have any questions, you can reach out at andyloan.com.